Lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Diva Spirit Organic. So guys, today I'm going to be making my customized skin body polish. Yes, my customized skin body polish. If you're here for the first time, please feel free to join the family. Turn on the subscribe button and also the notification bell. And to my old subscribers, guys, you are highly welcome. Thank you for always coming back to watch. Yes, and also go to my other YouTube channel. Go and subscribe there. I have been saying it there. I'm going to be doing a lot of recipes there. I'm going to teach how to calculate recipe, how to go into skincare business, how to know the right things, the right plant to use for your skincare product, how to be able to boost the strength of your product so that it will work perfectly and effectively. Yes, in this channel I'm only going to be doing formulation, so do not ask me for recipe, do not ask me for my percentage. Go to the other channel and subscribe there, because there I'm going to be doing calculations. I'm going to be teaching you tips how to make skincare product, the benefits of each oils, the benefits of waxes, the benefit of essential oils. Yes, so there is all about the basic and everything, and in this channel I'm going to just formulate. So if you want to have those benefits, you want to know how to calculate your own recipes, you can go to that YouTube channel and also subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Yes, I'm going to leave the link of that YouTube channel under the description box of this video. Even on the tag, you can see it on the tag. Just click on the tag where they wrote hashtag everything Divas Vlog. Just click on that, it will take you to that channel. Just subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you will get to learn about how to start your own skincare line, how to calculate percentage, how to convert grams to percentage. So many things like that, which I'm not going to be doing here anymore. Like giving you recipe of this product, I'm not going to do that. You're just going to watch me formulate. So if you want to know how to calculate your own recipe, go and subscribe there. So I'm going to start by making my body scrub. Yes, I'm making two types of body scrub. So I'm making this and also I'm making this body scrub. So keep watching and make sure to give this video a usual.